Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Go to search bar and type settings, click here to open it, then click on privacy and security, then select general and just turn off these three options. Go back again, scroll down and go to location and turn off this access. Go back, select camera, turn off the access of cameras. Again go back, select microphone, again turn off access of microphone. Again go back, now turn off the access of notification. Now we have to turn off the access of contacts. Let's go back and select phone sales. Turn off all the access of call history. Now we are going to turn off the access of task. Now let's turn off access of messaging. Now we will turn off the access of radio. Again do the same process for app diagnostics. Okay, now close this window. Again go to search bar and type issuesThis.cpl. It is a control panel item and it will open system properties. Then in the advanced tab, click on settings and check this box that is adjust to the best performance. Click on apply and then OK. Again go to search bar and type task manager. Click here to open it. Now turn off all the applications which are currently running in the startup section and click on disable. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.